Okay, kids, we're back at the Armorer's Bench today. I have a very special video. This is a CIA spy pistol. If you notice, look at that. It's got pearl grips. It's chrome. Look at that. It's made in Italy. And this pistol was used to torture people. And what it is, this is the magazine. As you can see, it holds six rounds. And I will show you how you load it. You take the magazine and you stuff it in the front. I tell you what. Come on. Okay, you bastard. Here, come. Oh, wait. There we go. And then you stick it in there. So what they would do when they were interrogating an innocent foreign national, they would hold this up to their ears and they'd fire it. And what it would do, it'd cause great pain in their ears. And they'd fire it repeatedly into their ears. And then when it was empty, the magazine would kick out the back. And then they take if they still didn't confess to whatever it was they wanted them to confess to, they had this spike they could deploy. And what they would do, they could penetrate their skull with the spike, or they'd use it to dig their eyeballs out. So this is widely used in a lot of covert black ops CIA bases around the world. Very rare, very James Bond. You can see there it says made in Italy, probably by Beretta. In fact, I think it says Beretta ta. Yeah. And then it says EIG. I think what that is, that's Italian for CIA. And yeah. Yep. CIA spy pistol. Awesome.